ये मेरी अर्जी है, मैं वो हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्जी है। मैं वो हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्जी है। अब और न मन भटके, अब और न मन भटके, आँखें रख आई प्रभु तेरी चौखट पे। आँखें रख आई प्रभु तेरी चौखट पे। है इश्क बड़ी बाजी, है इश्क बड़ी बाजी, राजी कर दुनिया या उसको कर राजी। राजी कर दुनिया या उसको कर राजी। तू दिल का टुकड़ा है, तू दिल का टुकड़ा है। जिक्र प्यारे का अश्कों से होता है, जिक्र प्यारे का अश्कों से होता है। छम 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 बारिश है, छम 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 बारिश है। मालिक घर ले चल, हर बूंद सिफारिश है। मालिक घर ले चल, हर बूंद सिफारिश है। अब तू ही मंजिल है, अब तू ही मंजिल है, तू ही किनारा है, मेरा तू ही सहारा है, तू ही किनारा है, मेरा तू ही सहारा है। ये मेरी अर्ज़ी है, मैं वो हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्ज़ी है, मैं वो हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्ज़ी है। ये मेरी अर्ज़ी है, ये मेरी अर्ज़ी है, मैं वो हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्ज़ी है, मैं वो हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्ज़ी है। अब और न मन भटके, अब और न मन भटके, आँखें रख आई प्रभु तेरी चौखट पे, आँखें रख आई प्रभु तेरी चौखट पे। है इश्क बड़ी बाजी, है इश्क बड़ी बाजी, राजी कर दुनिया या उसको कर राजी, राजी कर दुनिया या उसको कर राजी। तू दिल का टुकड़ा है, तू दिल का टुकड़ा है, जिक्र प्यारे का अश्कों से होता है, जिक्र प्यारे का अश्कों से होता है। छम 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 बारिश है, छम 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 बारिश है, मालिक घर ले चल हर बूंद सिफारिश है, मालिक घर ले चल हर बूंद सिफारिश है। अब तू ही मंजिल है,
Good evening everyone. Welcome to the evening session. Before we start, can you please confirm if you can see us and hear us? Welcome Meenakshi ji. Welcome Rajesh ji. Tapasya, Priyanka, Sudhakar ji, Surender ji, Ross, Surekha, Shaheen. If you are watching us on Facebook, you can on watch party also you can say hello, so I know who all there. Kindly confirm if you can hear us. Thank you Priyanka for confirming. Tapasya, thank you. Welcome to evening session. Asha, welcome. I hope you had a wonderful day today. Before we start, I had given you homework yesterday. So out of these 20 people, I want to know how many of you have done homework yesterday. Be honest, if you have not done the homework, just say no. If you had done, yes, and let me know what was the homework. I want you to, as I said, this is not something entertainment program. This is life transforming program. I had given you homework yesterday and you all promised me that you would do it. So I want to know what was the homework and how many of you did. Priyanka said she did the homework yesterday. Please share the video, host watch party. Tapasya says, I did my homework, felt nice and slept so well. I am reading. Today's session is not going to start unless I hear from all of you. Yes, Rajesh ji says, yes, I said forgive me and others. I name others in my prayer. Forgiving people and forgiving our own self. That was the homework yesterday. So can you please confirm how many of you have done the homework? If you have not done the homework, don't shy. Just say we have not done. That's okay with me. But I just want to see that all these people coming every day, they are not just coming here for a temporary relief. We are not Panadol that you get a temporary relief. We want here to be here to do life transformation. You are investing so precious time of your life. Sasiji said she did. I have done homework, tried my best to forgive many in my life. Tried my best to forgive means you have not forgive everyone. What we decided yesterday was that we will forgive everyone including ourselves. Surendra ji says, yes, I had done, sir. I have very good experience. Very good. Asha says, I was not there, so I didn't do the session. Only 3-4 responses out of 27 people. Can you hear me or not? Maybe, am I audible? I am saying if you have not done, say no. If I had done, say yes. The question is, how many of you have done the homework yesterday? And what was the homework? Shine says, sorry, I forgot. Alright. I am reading your comments. How many of you did homework and how many of you not did homework? Pavanji says, I missed it. Still not everyone have answered. I want everyone to answer. Bharat, I try to forgive everyone who perhaps have done wrong to me, and I also regularly walk 10,000 steps. Surika saying, I forgot. I am reading. How many of you have done the homework? Do you even remember the homework? What was the homework given to you yesterday? Nobody is saying no, nobody is saying yes. Only 4 or 5 people responded. Amy says, sorry, I missed the question. Question is, I gave homework yesterday. In yesterday's session, I explained how important it is to take benefit of last 2 days. And based on that, I did a heart cleansing meditation so that when you go to bed, you forgive everyone and start new life. But seems like nobody is interested. Alright, I am very sorry to see here the response, but I can't do much. Preeta said she did. Pamela said she did the homework. Forgive everyone. Alright, I will not be there all the time to hold your hand. It's up to you. My work will finish tomorrow with you all. So I leave you with your own judgments. I am very surprised that even doing after 3 months of practice, best of my student forgot. This is the power of mind. And till the time this power goes on of mind, we will be always having emptiness, boredom, and feel always lonely inside. No matter what materialistic thing we have, it's not going to fulfill us. Nothing is going to work unless we work. And it is pretty disappointing to see that very few of you have done the homework, but I am not disappointed. We served almost 10,000 people last 2 years, but I know the outcome. Only 1% people really work on themselves, and 99% people keep blaming other people for whatever happens in their life, because they do not want to take the responsibility of their own being. I just wanted to tell you that in so many days, so many years, I have given you part of my life, part of my heart. I sowed the seed of enlightenment in you so that one day you flower it. Now you cannot no longer blame. I have taken that convenience out of your life. That you know, if something goes in your life, you know that you are responsible. You are no more eligible to blame others. So from here onwards, whatever goes into your life, you are not eligible to blame others and other situation, because most of you have proved that you don't want to work on yourself. Your mind is too strong and you are still entangled into worldly affairs that you cannot even remember some small homework, which is pretty disappointing. After session, you would have just had a dinner and gone to bed. But between our session to your sleep, you forgot a very simple homework. For that, I am not going to give you today any homework, because there is no point in giving homework if you are not going to do it. I have only one day today, and tomorrow with you I will get your kriyas done, breathing technique done, and from day after tomorrow you are on your own, because nobody will hold your finger and take you to the other side. You have to walk your own by bringing discipline into your life. Those who are joining first time today, welcome to the evening session. All we do here, these are last 2 days, today and tomorrow, for online sessions. And in this session, what we do is to align our mind, align our body, align our energy. We learned that our mind constantly goes in past and future, forgetting what we have to do in present. And we keep on dreaming for a brighter future, and when we don't do anything in today. Today is the only day in our life where thing happens. Tomorrow does not come from calendar. Tomorrow comes from yourself, from your inner being. From your actions today, a tomorrow will be born. If you want a healthy tomorrow, if you want brighter tomorrow, you have to make your today brighter, but today I forgot. We keep making excuses, we never take responsibility. And that is the misery of life. And very conveniently, then we start blaming our partners, our office colleagues, all other situation in our life, for all the disturbance in our life, because we don't take responsibility of ourselves. So those who are joining new, welcome to the evening session. We do Kriya here, breathing technique, and also we do meditation. And in these last 2 days, we will perfect our Kriya. All we have to do is create no resistance. There are only 2 kinds of sensation in our body, which we have given 1,000 names. So whenever I say I have anxiety, depression or any mental challenge, that only means that I am feeling unpleasant sensation in my body. Whenever I feel unpleasant sensation in my body due to the external events or due to not understanding the life situation, I start creating friction in my body. When there is a friction in your energy body, mental body and physical body, we have given it different names like anxiety, depression, insecurity, fear. These all names are nothing but the dysfunction in our alignment of our energy body, mental body and physical body. So in this session we practice how to align these 3 bodies, how to be mindful of our action, how to keep our mind in present, because if you are in present you will never forget. That is the magic of the present. But if we are not in present, we will forget. So let's start with the Kriya. Create no aversion, create no craving for any pleasant or unpleasant sensation. And first of all, we will bring our mind home, which is inside the body, by bringing our attention to our breathing. We will use breathing as a means. Close your eyes gently, keep your back erect. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. With next long deep breath in, we will chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take attention to your palm. Feel the sensation on your palm. Feel your palm from inside, both the palm. Anchor your mind into present moment. From here onwards, we will try to keep our mind into our movements. We will become aware of what goes in our head, what thoughts we get. No matter if thought is good or bad, no matter if the sensation good or bad. We just become observer. We observe our mind, body as a third person. Take long and deep breath in. Breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Breathe out. Hold attention on your palm. Feel your both the palm from inside. Bring your mind to the present moment by anchoring your mind onto your palm. We start with the Kriya. Those who know Kriya, keep your eyes closed while doing Kriya and feel all the body movement. Slowly, slowly turn your head towards left, feeling the movement of your head till the time the neck gets fully stretched. Feel the stretching. Right palm on your right cheek. Feel the touch of your palm onto your cheek, pressing your cheek onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Feel the movement of your hand, neck going towards opposite. Stretch as much as you can. Feeling the stretch, bring opposite palm onto opposite cheek. Feel the touch of your palm onto the cheek. Press your cheek onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Coming to center, to Agna Chakra. Both the palm onto forehead. Press your forehead onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again feeling the movement of your hand going down, neck towards left as much as possible. Become aware of all the thoughts, all the actions of your body. Right palm onto the right cheek. Pressing right cheek onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly palm going down. Opposite side. Become aware of all the sensation. Palm going towards cheek. Press on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly palm going down. Bringing your head to the center. Both the palm onto your forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now throat chakra. Become aware of your mind and body, all the sensation as observer only. Now chin going to chest, from right side going up, feeling the rotation of your neck, coming down from left side, again going back up, opposite, coming down, again going up. Feel the movement of your neck. Become aware of all the thoughts. Let the thought comes, don't try to stop it. Just watch them going up, going down. Now both the palms on your knees, making 360-degree rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the rotation, feel the shoulder blade touching each other. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2. Feel the shoulder blade touching each other. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anahata chakra, heart chakra. Both the hands onto the thigh, pressing as much as possible. With my counting, press more and more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now head going towards knee. Coming back, feel the stretch above your navel and become aware of your thoughts. Going down into center, Manipur ka chakra, coming back, activating the reserve energy into our body. Right, going down, anchor your mind into the present moment by feeling all the movement. Left, slowly going down, slowly coming up, again going down, again coming up, again going down, again coming up. Now we'll do full body rotation from left, center, right, becoming aware of our body rotations. Keep your attention 1 inch above navel. Going down, become observer of everything as a third person. Anchor your mind into the present. Feel the rotation. Opposite. Going back. Coming down. Become observer. Follow the energy, thoughts, emotions, sensation. Relax. Open your left leg. Put your right leg onto your left leg. Press it to chest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Up, down, up, down, up and down, up and down. Opposite leg. Going up and down, 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 up and down. Now, rocking baby pose for Mooladhara Chakra. This Mooladhara Chakra is very important. This is where all the fear comes from. Below your tailbone, keep your attention below your tailbone. If you work on your Mooladhara Chakra slowly, you will be free from all the fears of life. Become aware of energy chakra below the tailbone. Kiss your baby on toes. Now opposite. Again eyes closed and feel your Mooladhara Chakra, also called as root chakra. Kiss your baby. Now we'll do butterfly pose. Both the legs near to genitals, as close as possible. Go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Relax. Now we'll do pranayam, breathing technique. We do 3 types of pranayam. First is Bhastrika, Anulom Vilom and Kapalbharti. All this strengthens our immune system. Also, it's an exercise for inner organ like lungs, pancreas, so that they become strong. We can work out externally, but internal organs get their exercise when we do pranayam. Keep your both the hands beside your shoulder, mouth gently closed, back erect. Breathe in, breath out, breathe in, breath out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Keep doing. Relax. Attention on your palm. Feel the sensation on your palm. Anchor your mind onto the palm and just become observer of your own mind and body as a third person, as if somebody else is sitting here. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Again anchor your mind onto your palm. Witness the stillness inside you. Observe the state of your mind and body and let go of everything. One more last time. Breathe in, breathe out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Witness the silence and peace. Witness its vastness and abundance. Acknowledge that all the disturbance is inside our head. Outside it is all blissful and peaceful. Kapalbhati, pushing the breath out by pushing the stomach in. Only exhalation, inhalation will happen automatically. Start. Relax. Try to listen to silence. Hold attention on your ear. Trying to listen to silence. One more time. Start. Relax. Again try to listen to silence. One more time. Start. Relax. Acknowledge and witness the silence surrounding you, peace surrounding you. Acknowledge that all the disturbance happens in our mind and body. Outside everything is blissful and peaceful. Try to listen to silence. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Put your right thumb on right nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Close your opposite nostril with pinky finger and exhale through right nostril. Again take long and deep breath in. Breathe out. Use alternate nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Exhaling through opposite nostril. Again inhaling through opposite nostril and exhaling through opposite nostril. Alternate nostril breathing. On one side we take the breath in and then close the nostril and breathe from opposite nostril. Again take the breath from same nostril and exhale from opposite nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe 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 in. Breathe out. Long and deep breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Keep your back straight. Remove your some glasses. Sit in a very comfortable pose. Once you are in a comfortable pose, make sure that you are still as much as possible. Feel your natural breath coming in, going out. Try to hear the sound of silence. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. Not even the mind. I am not the body. Not even the mind. I am not the body. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. With next long and deep breathing, we'll chant Am 7 times. Start. While humming, keep teeth on teeth, feel the vibration in your spine. Let the message of I am not the body and mind go to cellular level so it disidentifies with false identity. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breathing. 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 Sit in relaxed position. Feel all the sensation on your body. Become aware of the peace and the stillness surrounding you. Just sit silently, do nothing. Become observer of everything happening inside you and surrounding you. Just sit silent, do nothing. Create no aversion, create no cravings. Just become observer to your mind and body without judging, without analyzing, without comparing. Create no resistance to any pleasant or unpleasant sensation. If thought comes, let it come. It goes, let it go. You just become aware of each thought which appears like a real. Become observer of it. Just sit silently, do nothing. Just be observer. Just sit still, do nothing. Become observer of what goes in mind without judging, analyzing, comparing. Sit silently, do nothing. Try to be as still as possible. Become observer of all the thoughts, emotions, all the sensation, pleasant or unpleasant. Create no resistance. Just sit silently, do nothing. Any thought comes, let it come, let it go. You just become observer as a third person. Don't entertain anything. Any emotion comes, let it come and go. Any thought comes, let it come and go. You do nothing but just be the observer. Do not create any aversion for any unpleasant sensation or thoughts, or do not create craving for pleasant sensation. Accept the moment as it is, as if you have chosen it, as if you have chosen it. Just sit silently, do nothing. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Whenever you feel complete, whenever you feel blissful and peaceful, whenever you are ready, you may open your eyes. Thank you very much for joining today. Tomorrow we will meet once again, last time, try to join tomorrow again for one more. Last time we'll do Kriya Pranayam, understand the importance of mind body alignment, and I hope that you have learned something in last 3 months and you will continue to do so and make your life more blissful and peaceful. With you being blissful and peaceful, you become a messenger for the divine to spread the peace around the world, to spread the peace and the message that there is no need of mental suffering. All the powers are hidden inside us, and whatever you learn, not only you will practice, but because you practice, your being will reflect that and other people will get inspiration. Don't go start teaching people. Just by being the way you are and by being and using these techniques into your own life, automatically becomes a message for others. So you don't have to actually go and teach unless you have become an advanced meditator. Before we go today, we will listen to beautiful bhajan, and once the bhajan ends, we will end the session. Let's sing bhajan together.
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे गढ़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। सोना है और भी निखरता, अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ा है। लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, होगा विशाल तरवर वो बीज जो पड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, हर काम उसके रहते हरगिज़ हुआ पड़ा है। कभी मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
Thank you very much for joining today. I will see you tomorrow evening one more last time for online session. Thank you so much for joining. Have a blissful evening and good night.